Two of these. Short black lace, please. Okie dokie. Lace. And that's it. Other than the wings and the heart that are drying, there's your DIY kit. Let me throw in a business card so you know. So you remember me. Remember me. Though I have to say goodbye. Remember me. Oh, Raquel, our giveaway winner from last Thursday, I don't believe they have their shipping figured out for their My Little Pony Pokemon hair clips. Do you mind reaching out to them, please, on Discord? Just like gentle reminder to pay for shipping. Thank you. Alrighty. Oh, black and purple. Oh wait, but this one's funky. That's my phone. That's not everything. A message from my older brother. What does it say? Hi sis. Oh boy. Would you like to give a speech at our wedding? Just talking about, guys? What were we just talking about? What were we just saying, guys? Why? I don't. How do I word this kindly and lovingly? Bro, I love you, and her, no. Okay, what's the right emoji for this? There we go. I feel honored, but I don't think I'd give the speech justice. Put on the spot. That's my response. Time to call the ghostie for help. Oh no.